Handyman Home Maintenance and Repairs Business, Oakden, South Australia. This business was originally purchased as a Hire a Hubby franchise in 2008 under a 5-year term. The current owner got so much work through his own sources and referrals, he branched out on his own. Services include general handyman and home maintenance, plus repairs to residential, investment, and commercial properties. The work is very varied, from changing light bulbs and gutter cleaning to erecting fences and tiling. There's no need for costly premises, as the business is run from home at around 4 to 6 hours a day. The asking price is negotiable and includes access to an immediate income via a sustainable clientele list, but no assets, equipment, or stock. There is high demand for general maintenance and repair work, and advertising would significantly boost the turnover. The current owner is happy to mentor and work on site with the purchaser for up to 2 weeks.